Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bitget coupons, also called position vouchers, to get the most out of your futures trading on the mobile app. Open Bitget and go to the More section in the top right corner. From there, tap on Coupons and you'll see all the vouchers you currently have. If you're already on the futures trading page, you can also tap the three dots in the upper right corner to enter the Coupon Center and access the same vouchers directly from your trading interface. If you're on the web version, log into your Bitget account, click your profile at the top right, and select Coupons from the drop-down menu. Another quick option while trading is to click the coupon icon on the futures page, which will show all available vouchers. These vouchers can be used when opening futures positions to reduce fees, get extra leverage, or enjoy other benefits. Depending on the type of coupon you have, simply select the voucher you want to use before confirming your trade, and it will automatically apply to your position. Make sure to check the expiration date of each voucher, and use them wisely to maximize your trading advantages. That's how you can easily find and use Bitget coupons to enhance your futures trading experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.